are going to make an apple. Wait, we are going to make many things. We are going to make an apple and caterpillar, a big leaf, an egg, and a tree. It's going to be like a jungle, which is the caterpillar's house. We are going to make them. So, first, let's make a caterpillar. For the caterpillar, we need these things. I'm sure you're all ready with your green blocks. Some of your red blocks, 2 of your yellow blocks, and some of your eyes. If you don't have Lego eyes, it's okay. You could use a pen to draw in the Lego pieces to make the eyes of the caterpillar. So, let's start making. First, let's take the light green piece. Second, let's take the dark green piece. Click it. Okay. We are going to leave one space. So let's see it is standing or not. It's not standing. So let's add another piece right here. So let's see it's standing. Yes, it's standing perfectly. So let's keep building. We are going to build from here. Let's start building from here. So let's leave again one space. It's easy to check. You could check from down. Is it a 1 space or 2 space or 3 space? No mind. So let me check. It's a 1 space. So my one is perfect. It's easy to check, okay? So we are not this one piece. I'm going to take a light green piece. Yeah, you could also take a light green piece. Then your caterpillar will look so beautiful. Then you take the dark green piece and put it right here. Okay? Here's the tail. Not the tail. So let's see if it's standing or not. It's not standing. Let's take. It's okay. We will make a stand by building here. First, let's finish from the back. Let's take a 3x3 piece. You need to leave only 1 space. Okay? So now let's start building from here. It's kind of looking. So let's just start building this from here. Let's start building the face. So we have built from here. Let's put a piece block right here. Let's put the 2 by 4, yeah, 2 by 4 right here like this. Only 1 space. Then you need to take the light piece. Then you take again the 2 by 4 blocks and put it right here like this. As you put like here in the back side. Okay. Looks like we do not need this last piece. So let's put it aside. Now let's take this red piece. You could also take the 2 by 2 block. Right now I'm taking the 2 by 2 block, but it is a circle shape like this. I'm gonna put a light here. Here it comes. Now you need eyes. Okay, here's it. If you don't have eyes, you could use a marker and draw eyes right here. Well, since I have eyes, I'm going to use these small eyes, teeny tiny eyes. And let me put it right here. There we go. And look, another one. Now let's put this thing that the caterpillar has. I'm going to use these blocks. We are going to put in the straight way. It kind of looks like this kind of blocks, these kind of blocks. So our caterpillar is ready. Now let's start making our apple. You all have your red colored bricks and kind of some of your green colored bricks. Now let's start building our apple. First, we need a 2 by 6 block. Now you take 2 by 4 blocks, 2 of them. You put 3 of them. You put, oopsies, it's kind of like this. Put it like this. Okay? Now you take these big blocks. Leave one space and wait. Leave 2 spaces, yes. Sorry. No. Yes. There we go, finally. And a 2 by 4. Like this. Oops. Now you build a top of it. Don't leave any space, okay? So let me do it. And there we go. Here is it. Now you don't leave any space. Not again. You leave this space. Now you build it like this. Now take a 2 by 1. There we go. Now you keep building like that. Here's the part that our little caterpillar will eat from the transparent ones. Are you okay? First the red ones and now the transparent ones. So, our apple is almost done. So I'm going to tell you why I applied the transparent blocks. I applied the transparent blocks to show you that a little caterpillar will eat. Is eating that thing. Now let's make the leaf. I'm going to put the 2 by 2 block, which is in the green color, at the middle, and you take another 2 by 2 green color block, put it on top of it. Now, do you remember the dinosaur video? Yes, I'm sure you remember. So, here's the dinosaur's tail. I have more of the tails of it. And here's the dinosaur's tail. We will put the dinosaur's tail on top of it. Like this. There you go. Our apple is ready. Let's put it aside. Now, let's make our tree. Hope your green blocks and brown blocks are ready to make the tree. Let's take the brown boxes first. Let's put aside the green boxes. We need to take these boxes, 2 of them. These are special kind of. Or if you don't have these kind of boxes, we use the apples 2 by 2 blocks. You could use 4 of them to build the tree. You need a brown color, not a green color. I'm using these ones. If you have these kind of blocks, so okay, you could use it. These, you could make all of these that we're making with any type of blocks. So let's start making a tree. Let's concentrate. So, as you know, I put it right here. Now, I'm going to take the 2 by 2 block which is in a curve shape and put it right here. I'm going to take 3 of them. It kind of looks a chocolate flavored ice cream, but it's not an ice cream. It's the trunk of the tree. Now, let's put this aside. Let's get the green blocks and let's take these. Oh, do you remember again the dinosaur video? We used these kind of blocks to make the feet. We need 4 of them. We are going to put it like this. This. First, let's put this in it. 2 block right here and 2 right here. See, it's making like a tree. Now, let's take these kind of blocks. We used these blocks to make the dinosaur's hand. I'm just telling you this to remind you. We need 4 of these blocks again. Oopsies. Oh, I have another one here. So, yep, like this. Here is it. Now you take a 2 by 2 block and put it right here. Now we used these kind of blocks to make the dinosaurs sharper things. Don't know what that. Never mind. One minute, because this is too thin. And you remember these. Now let's put it right here. There you go. Oops. And then another side. Oops. Now right here. Great. Okay, I don't want to let it fall, so I have a plate and put it right here. There we go. So here's the block just to make the leaf. Oh, let's put this aside. Let's put it right here actually. The leaf is very, very, very simple. So let's start making the leaf. So first, let's take a 3 by 2 block, and we need a 4 of them. If you don't have 4 of them, it's okay. Here's a trick. You could take a 2 by 2 block and this block and put it right here. See? Now it's right. Since this is not sticking together, there's a trick. Again, yes. Let's leave one space. There we go. And let's put this right here. Now you put this right here and take another of it. There you go. One minute. Wait, what? No, I got it. This is not too far like this, so I'm using this flat block. See how it looks like. Now you take another one. Now it's easy to put. There you go. Oh, and use it. It's very easy. So now let's get to the plate and put the leaf. There you go. And let's put this right here. And now it is really ready. Our apple is ready. Our caterpillar is ready. Our tree is ready. Our egg is ready. Egg was too easy because I just took a block. Then the egg is done. And a leaf. There you go. Put this right here. Put the egg not right here. There you go. There you go. Alright, now let me again tell what we made. We made a caterpillar. We made an apple, a tree, an egg, and a leaf. A big leaf. So, I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Bye!